In this video, I'm going to be covering checkboxes, specifically what they do and the different ways to insert them. So here in this example, we just have a simple chore list here. We want to add checkboxes in each of these cells, and then if that checkbox is selected or checked, we want this cell to say completed. And if it's unchecked, we want it to say not done or not completed, something like that. So there are basically two types of checkboxes that you can use in Excel. The first type is more simple and the second type is a little bit more complicated. So to add a checkbox, all you need to do is select the cell you want to add the checkbox to, go up to the insert ribbon and select checkbox. Now if you click this bottom right corner and you drag this all the way down, it'll add a checkbox for each of those cells. Now one thing you'll notice about checkboxes is that if I select the cell where the checkbox is found, up at the top Excel will say false. It'll say false is labeled here in this cell. And if I check the box, it'll switch to true. So that can be super helpful when you want to link a checkbox to a specific formula or something like that, which we'll demonstrate here. So we're going to create a simple formula. So if that cell where the checkbox is equals true, then we want to display completed. And if it's false, or if the checkbox is not selected, we want it to say not done. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter. So then if we unselect the checkbox, that will switch to not done. And we can click on that cell and drag this formula down and it will link to this checkbox. So any checkbox where we say, hey, we've done this chore, it will mark as completed. So another thing to note about these type of checkboxes is that they are always going to be linked to the cell that they are in. There is another type of checkbox that you can create that you can link to any cell that you would like. And that is if you go up to the developer ribbon, and if you don't have the developer ribbon, just right click, select customize the ribbon, and make sure developer is checked and hit OK, and that will add this developer ribbon for you. If you go over to insert, form controls, and you hit this little checkbox, you can kind of click and drag to create a checkbox like so that you can move around. That's not tied to a specific cell. So like for example, if we move this around, it has to be tied to a specific cell. Whereas with this checkbox, we can move this around wherever we want, in the middle of two cells or whatever we want. Now with this checkbox, when I select it, nothing happens. That's because this checkbox is not currently linked to anything. So if I right click, I can rename the checkbox here, or if I right click again and go to format control, this little menu will pop up. And then I can select the cell link and I can choose which cell I want to reference for this checkbox. So for example, it could be this cell. And then I can hit enter, OK. And now if I select or unselect that checkbox, this cell will be true or false. And I can move this wherever I would like. So those are the two types of checkboxes in Excel, and that's kind of the nature of how they work and how you can add them. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and please just have such a great rest of your day.